Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in deeply and release. One more time. Inhale peace. Exhale tension. Allow your body to settle. Let your shoulders drop. Unclench your jaw. Soften your forehead. With every breath in, imagine a warm, healing light entering your body. With every breath out, imagine stress, fatigue, and heaviness leaving you. Breathe in, healing. Breathe out, exhaustion. Breathe in, calm. Breathe out, worry. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine this warm, golden light gently flowing down, relaxing your face, your neck, your shoulders. Let it flow into your chest, your back, your arms and hands, down into your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way to your feet. Your entire body is being wrapped in gentle, healing energy. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently bring it back to your breath. Slow, deep, easy. Now silently repeat after me. I allow my body to rest. I allow my mind to reset. I allow my energy to return. I release what is no longer needed. I welcome peace. I welcome strength. I welcome renewal. 2. Imagine yourself standing in warm sunlight. Every cell in your body is recharging. Every breath is filling you with life. Every moment is restoring your balance. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're recharging. Breathe in deeply and feel new energy entering your body. Breathe out slowly and let go of what has been weighing you down. Say quietly or in your heart, I am safe to rest. I am safe to heal. I am safe to begin again. Now begin to gently return your awareness to your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice your breath. Notice the calm. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. You are refreshed. You are restored. You are renewed.